Aw, look at that. They're so adorable. Yay. That's how it looks so far. It's almost done, more than half.
Well, we didn't know if you're...
It's actually not that bad out, but it's damp and bleh. So. I hear beeping. Is it gonna explode?
Pardon?
Is it gonna explode? I hear beeping.
That's reminding me to lock the door.
Seriously? It's really bad in this city that they have to actually remind you to flush the toilet when you're done? Are you kidding me? That's just stupid that they actually have to remind you. Is it on all of them? No, just on the big one. Because you only have problems with the handicapped ones, right? I found the abandoned fast food cup thing leaking all over the floor. Look, it's an automatic bacon dispenser. Look, it's a giant slinky. And it's heart-shaped too. That looks like a butterfly.
Yep, sure does.
I really need to stop biting my lips. They're starting to hurt. They've been chapped, but when they're chapped, they bother me, and then I keep biting them because it bothers me. And that is a lot of pillow pets. Holy crap. No. It's all freaking pillow pets. Holy balls. Still never found that stupid alligator one, though. The thing is like... Oh no, sorry, it's animal pillow, it's not the pillow pets, whatever, but I still never found the alligator one because none of the stores would have it. And the only time I saw it was on the website, and the stupid website. I only went on there once because it didn't want to let you off if you didn't buy anything. It's like, are you sure you want to leave? You should buy something. I'm like, let me out. I had to go through like 3 things and pop-ups and crap, and finally I got the stupid thing to shut down, but it was just... It's too annoying. I never went back on there, and then kept checking the stores, checking resale stores, places like this everywhere, and nobody's got the stupid alligator. It sucks. Push the button. Does anybody else see a problem with this? Look, it's a
Oh, these are snails.
strange chisel, and it makes noises. Yeah, it's a snail, but snails don't make... He's missing an antenna.
No. Or maybe it fell off his head.
It makes noises. Can you hear that?
A little, sounds like a little metal box inside or something tinkling.
Something. It's supposed to light up or whatever, but it's broken. It's right there. It's like half of it. Or it's just something that fell off of the machine that put it together and it fell in.
You want a picture?
Nah. See, it doesn't hurt. Oh, they'll already chew it up for you. Oh yeah, look at that.
What are these, paperweights?
Here, you need a fake cigarette for the kids.
What's the price on
cool.
these?
Yeah, they're $3.99.
Oh.
That's about all they are paperweights.
Mm-hmm.
Paperweights.
Pretty.
Cute little puppy dog. Aww. Cute little puppy dog. It's on the wrong side of the road.
Fucking asshole.
It's supposed to be on the other side of the median over there, see? Some people. Hey, little cutie thing. Hello, hello. You're so adorable. Today's daily message on Facebook. Circumstances don't make you, they reveal you. How you respond to the life God offers you is what makes you. Hey guys, it's 1 in the morning, and I just finished reading The Hunger Games. It was a good book. If you guys like suspense and, you know, bloodbath, then you should totally watch it. Or, yeah, watch it. Read it. I think I'm going to reread 13 Reasons Why now. I read it a while back, but I really want to read it again. So I'm probably going to do that, even though I'm like halfway through 4 other books, but oh well. I'm tired and I'm going to go to bed. So, yeah. I hope you all have a wonderful night / morning / whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
Across the ocean waves, by your side I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this